An object data type stores data and also information on how to process the data, known as a method. As an example, a car could be considered an object. A car has certain properties, such as make, model, color, weight, and so on. A method would be considered anything that the car can do, such as travel, turn, stop, or slow down. As a rule, an object must be explicitly declared. The first step to creating an object is to create a class. The class is the set of properties or variables that are tied to an object. In this example, we have the class person. Next, we've defined some properties that the person has. The person object has 3 properties: a first name, a last name, and an age. You'll notice in front of each property we have an assignment called public. There are 3 different types of assignments, including public, private, and protected. Next, we've constructed a function that tells our properties what values will be assigned to the variables: first name, last name, and age. In this case, each time a new person is created, is seen here, the first value contained inside the parenthesis after the new person declaration will be the first name. The second value inside the parenthesis will be the last name, and the third will be the age. Each variable here, person 1 and person 2, creates a new person. Each person has their own unique set of information. We have a method inside our class, and a method is a function tied to an object. This method, which we've called hello, will output a sentence with the person's first name, last name, and age. We've called on this function at the end of our script here. We can see the statement echo person 1 hello. We also have echo person 2 hello. In our web browser, we can see the values of the properties first name, last name, and age have been outputted based on the number of new persons we created, which in this case was 2. And that is how an object works. Note that these values would typically be derived from a database.